There are some girls we all know that no matter the occasion, always have the hair that looks the part. Healthy, glossy and full of life. But are you not one of them? And if you're not, you've come to the right place. Hi guys, मैं हूँ मानसी और आज मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ 5 hair secrets for healthy hair. पर उससे पहले you know what you have to do. It's pretty simple. हमारे चैनल BeBeautiful को सब्सक्राइब करें and ring the bell icon to stay updated every time we post a new video. सबसे पहली टिप है to dry massage the scalp. As we know, the scalp is a delicate layer of skin that your hair grows through. If you don't massage it, the scalp is stiff and is less supple. The result is that your hair will be weak and lifeless, which can lead to hair loss. Massaging the scalp helps keep the hair supple as well as promoting oxygenation of the hair. पर हम अक्सर scalp massage को oil के साथ करते हैं. However, what happens is that in order to remove the oil from the scalp, we end up overwashing the hair. इससे बाल ड्राई पड़ जाते हैं और आपकी सारी मेहनत वेस्ट हो जाती है. इसीलिए I suggest that you do a dry scalp massage. For this, place your thumbs on the side of your head so that you have a base to work from and massage the entire scalp region. I like to do this twice in a day for just about a minute or two. Trust me, it helps. अब I know that buying hair products can be a confusing endeavor, पर एक simple rule है. अगर आपके बाल thin और limp हो, तो opt for a volumizing shampoo. और अगर आपके बाल greasy है, तो opt for a clarifying or purifying shampoo. And if you have colored hair like mine, then always choose a shampoo and conditioner that is specifically meant for colored hair, like this one. Love Beauty and Planet Muru Muru Butter and Rose Aroma Blooming Color Shampoo and Conditioner. सबसे अमेजिंग बात इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स की ये है कि इनमें कोई हेयर बैडीज नहीं है, जैसे कि सिलिकॉन, डाई एंड पैराबेन. इंस्टेड इट हैज गुड स्टफ लाइक एथिकली सोर्स्ड मुरु मुरु बटर, जिसमें लॉरिक और फैटी एसिड्स होते हैं व्हिच पेनिट्रेट्स द हेयर शाफ्ट. दिस हेल्प्स बेटर मॉइस्चर रिटेंशन एंड सील्स क्यूटिकल्स, रिजल्टिंग इन सॉफ्टर एंड हाइड्रेटेड हेयर. साथ ही एवरी टाइम आई यूज दिस डुओ, द सेंट ऑफ बल्गेरियन रोजेस लिंगर्स इन माई हेयर all throughout the day. मुझे अक्सर पूछा जाता है, does one need to use conditioner every time after shampooing? Answer is yes, yes and yes. This is also my tip number 3. Never skip the conditioner. Reason being, conditioners are made up of hydrating and moisturizing ingredients that penetrate your hair shaft and inner layers of hair to restore hydration. They also help to replenish moisture and oil contents that are lost due to shampooing, making your hair shinier, easier to style, detangled and frizz-free. You'll notice this difference if you use shampoo but skip the conditioner. My 4th trusty tip is to deep condition once a week. Deep conditioners are designed to hydrate and soften damaged hair caused due to chemical processing and heat styling. It also helps improve the elasticity of hair, जिससे आपके बालों में moisture लंबे समय तक बने रहती है. So if you're looking for a deep conditioner that does the above and gives you a salon style smoothing effect, then look no further. Add this hair mask to your shopping cart right now. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask. It has marula oil, which is super nourishing for the hair. It instantly makes the hair softer and fights humidity for up to 72 hours. Apply it on damp hair, starting from mid-length all the way till the tips. Do not neglect the tips as they need extra moisture. I like to keep this on for about 5 to 10 minutes, followed by a cold water rinse. Every time I use this conditioner, it makes my hair softer and silkier, detangles, makes it easier to style and prevents frizz and flyaways. The last tip has been life-changing for my strands, and that is to protect your hair before styling. Now I love heat styling and I don't think I'm going to quit it anytime soon. So I decided to find a middle ground, and that meant using a heat protectant like this one. Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. ये स्प्रे आपके बालों के ऊपर एक प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर क्रिएट करेगा, जिसकी वजह से आप हीट स्टाइलिंग करोगे तो बाल डैमेज नहीं होंगे. इससे हमेशा डैम्प हेयर पे स्प्रे कीजिए एंड देन डू योर हीट स्टाइलिंग. पर हीट प्रोटेक्शन के साथ ये फ्रिज और नॉट्स को भी डिटैंगल करने में मदद करता है, मेकिंग योर हेयर शाइनी एंड सॉफ्ट. सो ये थे मेरे फेवरेट हेयर सीक्रेट्स फॉर हेल्दी हेयर। जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू रिंग द बेल फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस। बाय।